Now your next exercise is 6.3. In your first question of 6.3, you have to just statement is given to you. You have to frame in the form of equation. Like your first part is the area A of a rectangle is equal to the product of length into breadth. I just translate into the equation form. Now your second is the diameter D of a circle is twice the radius. D is equal to 2 times R. C is the volume of a cone is 1/3 the product of 22/7 square of the radius and height. Now D part is in a factory men are paid rupees 300 per day and women paid 270 per day. Find the total earning by X men and Y women. If X is a man, Y is the woman. So according to the statement, what will be my equation? 300x plus 270. But it is written that is for the one day. In a factory, men are paid 300 rupees per day, women 270 per day. And find the total earning by X men and women in the week. So there are 7 days in a week. So one day earning of a man is 300x plus 270. Y is for woman, but this is for the one day. So what about the 7 days? You multiply directly with the 7, you make the equation. In your second equation, you change the subject as indicated in the formula. If your formula is V is equal to U plus AT, so how will you extract the value of T? You shift other terms on the other side only. Which variable you extract the value? Only that kept on the one side and other terms shifted on the another side. That will be T is equal to V minus U by A. So if my formula is D is equal to B square minus 4AC, I want to find the value of C. So I shift one by one all the terms on the another side. Like first I shift negative side here, B square minus D. Then only C will be kept it here. Extra term will be divided by this. My C value is B square minus D by 4A. Similarly in C and D part also, C part is A is equal to pi R square minus R square. You have to find the value of R. So first you shift pi, then negative R goes positive R, then square will be removed, it will move to the square root. Next is G is equal to M plus N by Mn. So you want to extract the value of M. So that first I multiply Mn with G. Now M shifted to the another side, take M common, and another term multiply M will be divided by on the what term present in the right side. So M value is Ngn minus 1. Now your second question is, your third question is, you have to solve the terms like minus 1 by 2 raised to power minus 4 minus 5 by 7 raised to power 2. So I told you before that we never solve the negative term. First make it positive to reciprocal the base. Minus 2 by 7 changes to minus 7 by 2 raised to power 4 minus 5 by 7, because here is the same positive power. Now you open this with 4 times. Negative term has even power, turns to positive. So I open, if any term cancellation is there, you can cancellation and multiply. Similarly in B term, negative power first changes to positive by writing the inverse of the base or writing the reciprocal of the base. Then you open whatever times is given to you. Now here minus 3 by 2 raised to power 2 and minus 3. First you multiply this power, because base is same and there are two powers are there. You multiply the power, that gives you minus 6. Now negative power changes to positive by reciprocal the or interchange the numerator and denominator with each other. Now you multiply 6 times, that gives you required answer. Now fourth question E part, you have to simplify. Similarly same term is here. First before solving you change negative power to positive power by interchanging numerator and denominator. That gives me 2 square, 3 square and 4 square. Then you open 2 times, 3 2 times and 4 2 times. Multiply with each other. 4 plus 9 plus 16 gives me 29. Next fourth question B part. 1 by 2 minus 2, 2 by 3 minus 2, 3 by 4 minus 2. By making positive power, interchange the numerator and denominator in the base. Then you multiply 2 times, 3 by 2 2 times, 4 by 3 2 times, numerator and denominator as well as. Now take the LCM and finding the calculation. After calculation I found that my required answer is 289 by 36. Now my C part is, there is 3 minus 2 plus 4 minus 3 minus 2 divide by 5 minus 2. So first I will change the inside the bracket negative power to make it positive, find the LCM and make the single numerator denominator. After that, before solving, I change outer negative power to positive. Here also 5 minus 2 1 upon 5 square, but when divide changes to multiply, again numerator denominator interchange with each other, 5 square, and my required answer is 20,736 by 25. Now fifth question A part, you have to simplify the terms. Here 2 raised to power 1 m7 n minus 4, this is 8 m9 n minus 2 and whole negative power is minus 3. First you have to solve inside the power by exponent rules, then outer power, when you got the single term inside, then you solve the outer negative power to make it positive by reciprocal the terms. Here when I solve this one, I got minus 4 m minus 2 n minus 4 plus 2 give me, actually I got 1 by 4 m square because negative power goes downward, and n minus 2, n is also goes downward, so my required inside the bracket is 1 by 4 m square n square. Here also minus 6 by m, when negative power changes to positive that becomes minus m by 6. Here also negative power changes to positive, then this denominator becomes the numerator and 4n square n square. Now if your exponent rule is there, if there are two terms inside or multiply and common power is there, that power is multiply each term power inside the bracket, like 4 cube m 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. Here also negative, whole power is 2, so negative changes to positive, and 6 into 6. My required answer is 16 by 9 m 8 and n 6 after solving, because 6 plus 2 gives me 8. Now your fifth question B part. Your fifth question B part is 7x minus 3 y minus 4, and here is 3x minus 2 y 6 and 3 raised to power, here is 9 x4 y minus 2 and whole power is minus 2. First you have to remove this negative power into positive. If term base is in numerator only and negative power is there, then base changes to denominator and become the power positive. Here is also 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, x minus 2, when one base in numerator, one base in denominator, so denominator base power is subtracted from the numerator base power. So minus 2 minus 4, 6 minus minus 2 give me x minus 6 y 8. Negative power goes downward to make it positive, so my required term inside is y raised to power 8 3 x raised to power 6, but negative power is outside to make it positive, so I interchange the numerator with denominator, so I multiply each term. Same with exponent rule, here x 18 and here is 3, 18 minus 3 y 8 into 3 24, and here 24 plus 4 give me 28, and when I write in the numerator all the terms, my required answer is 27 into 7 give me 189 x 15 y minus 28. Now your fifth question C part. Your fifth question C part. So if it is written xa by xb, power is a plus b minus c, xb by xc, b plus c minus a, xc by xa, c plus a minus b. So first, if base is same, one is numerator, one is denominator, and denominator base power is subtracted from numerator, a minus b. Similarly here b minus c and c minus a. Now you multiply this bracket with this bracket with this, and this bracket with this. After multiplication, because base is same, power is added. So we write the base once, and multiplication of this multiplication is added with each other. When I open the bracket, I found a minus b multiply a plus b minus c give me a square plus ab minus ac minus ab minus b square, and minus minus plus bc. Similarly b minus e, b plus c minus a gives me b square plus bc minus ab minus bc minus c square. Similarly another term, c square plus ac minus bc minus ac minus a square plus ab. I found that when I add all the terms, all term is cancelled with each other, only 0 is left. So x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Any term has power 0, so that is equal to 1. Now my next question is your 6th question A part. 6th question A part. 6th question A part is 6 raised to power minus 6, 6 raised to power 2a plus 1, 6 raised to power 16 divided by 6 raised to power 4. So if base are same, multiply with each other, so power will be added. So here minus 6 plus 2a plus 1, here also in divide sign, if base are same, division sign is there, so power will be subtracted. 16 minus 4 give me 12. So if only single term in the left side, only single term in the right side, base is same, so we ignore the base, just equate the power with each other. 2a minus 5 is equal to 12. So 2a is equal to 12 plus 5 give me 17. My required a value is 17 by 2. Similarly, 6th question B part, 2 by 4 cube, 2 by 4 5 is equal to 2 by 4 3a minus 7. Here is a single term, but here is not a single term. Base is same, power is added, 2 by 4 raised to power 8. Now we ignore the base, just equate the power. 8 is equal to 3a minus 7. My required answer a is equal to 5. Now your 6th question C part also, x by y 2a plus 1 divided by x by 2 and x by y raised to power 16. Here also we have to make a single base. If division sign is there, power is subtracted. 2a plus 1 minus 2. Now ignore the base, just equate the power. My a value is 17 by 2. Now your 7th question is, use the formula v is equal to u plus at. You have to find the value of a. First you have to extract the value from this formula, like v minus u shift on this side. The a formula is like this. Now you have to apply your value v, ut, whatever given to you. After applying the value, v value is 20, u value is minus 10. So my required answer is 10. 30 by 3 is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. Thank you. Have a nice